Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build a knowledge base in WordPress using Markdown files. The first step is to install a plugin that lets us create a custom post type for the knowledge base articles. We have a few options for this, but in this tutorial, I'll be using the custom post type UI plugin. First, install the plugin from the WordPress repository. Then, in the dedicated menu, create a new custom post type for the knowledge base articles. Now, create a few test articles to help us preview the layout during the rest of the tutorial. Next, create a new custom template. In this template, add two essential elements commonly used on archive pages: a search element, where visitors can easily search for articles, and a query loop element to list titles and publication dates of the available articles. Finally, go to the sidebar to customize the query loop block to show only articles from the knowledge base custom post type. Now, we have to create an archive page for the knowledge base article. To achieve this, I'll be using a standard page with a custom template that we just created. To start, create a new page named Knowledge Base. Then, in the page sidebar, select the template dropdown and choose KB Archive. The knowledge base page is now ready to be used. Note that if needed, you can further customize this page based on your specific need by modifying its template. It's time to import content from Markdown files. To achieve this, visit the plugin menu, install the Import Markdown plugin, and activate it. Then proceed to the plugin options and select the parser that will be used to perform the Markdown to HTML conversion. In this example, I will leave the default parsedown parser selected. Finally, in the advanced section of the plugin options, select KB as the post type for posts generated from imported Markdown files. We can now test our system by importing Markdown files into our knowledge base. To achieve this, proceed to the Import menu and upload a locally stored Markdown article. As you can see, the article has been successfully added to our knowledge base archive page. Finally, if your knowledge base articles are long, you can enhance navigation by adding a table of contents using the Easy Table of Contents plugin. Proceed to the plugin settings and enable the automatic table of contents only in the knowledge base custom post type. To conclude, enable the checkbox used to apply the table of content in the specific article. If you'd like to replicate this on your WordPress site, the free plugins used in this tutorial are listed in the video description. Thank you for watching.